Hello! Tomorrow will be a beautiful sunny day. And how lucky am I? Look what arrived yesterday! Yes! That's my front tire! Yes! So I'm gonna change it. And to be different, I'm not gonna use tools. Well, I will use a tool, just take the wheel out, but no tools to take the tire out and to put the new one back in. Stay tuned. Well, to take the wheel out, as you know, easy. Just get Brompton tools and you open. Get this part here. This is the one that I used to take it out, okay? Okay, the way I like to work on my Brompton is like this. This way, you can work easily on your back wheel and your front wheel. To take the wheel out is simple. Just remember, clockwise, close, counterclockwise, open. That's a very important thing to know. It works for everything. Tires in hand. Let's take this out. Just pull up and out. See? It goes everything out. Easy. No need for a tool. Then you go first take one side out like this. And I did my nails yesterday. So it's no problem actually. Let's open the new one. I need my beautiful scissors. Ooh. I feel like a kid in Christmas time when something arrives, you know. It's so cool. A new Schwalbe marathon tires, but not as strong as this one. This one has 7. It's a grade of protection, and this one has 5. You're gonna ask me, why you bought 7 and why you bought 5? Because this is a front tire. It's so easy to change a flat tire that it's not worth it, the weight, you know. Beautiful. You know, the little one. Looks like a punk here. It's funny, the back tire didn't come with all those little, but this one has a lot of. They do this designs here in a way that push the water away. But if you have the wrong side, it's not gonna do it. It's not gonna help you. Have to be in the right side. Okay, so there is 167 grams of difference in weight. And I'm gonna show you something. When a tire is new, it's smaller than when you get a used tire. See? Just a bit smaller. And also, look how thicker the wall is. It's much thicker than original. So it'll be harder to put in, but I'll show you one trick that if you do need it, I don't know, maybe you're in the street and your lever broke, you know, I don't know. It's always good to know new things. After this 2,500 kilometers, I start having a lot of punctures. That's why I decided to put the back wheel, and then I did a research with you guys, and a lot of them said that you're having both wheels, so I said, why not, you know? You guys teach me a lot. You would be amazed how you guys teach me. So let's go to work. Let's put it in first. Remember which side is the wheel. In this case, this hook here stays on the left side, okay? So that means the wheel will turn like this. Now, I got the wheel turning. I have to find it again. Okay, rotation. It says it goes this way, so that means that way. Now, for the good part, let's put it in. I'm gonna put it with my bare hands, but I'm gonna use 2 tips that I learned in 2 different channels. First tip is a velcro. Yes, Victor has this great channel. I think one of the best channel for Bromptons. And in the video hacks, he gave us a tip that I love it. Using this velcro to finish the tire to get in. And there's another hack that I learned. I thought it was so cool. Especially now that we all have to carry alcohol. Yes, this is just alcohol. You know? It's very cool. I put it in my pocket. So we always have this. Now we all have alcohol. So this tip, this will help you, if you do need it, to put the end of the tire in, okay? So let's start it. Oh, I want to show you something that's very, very important. You have to be aware of this. This part is where the tire sits. It's higher than the middle. So you have to know this because you have to press the tire for the middle to get more space to fit the other side, okay? So let's put it in. And when you put it right in the middle. So as you see, the first side is so easy. 2 back in, press it, put it in. In my case, I have to put the little thing. Helps the valve stay here and makes it easier to put it in. Okay, then it's easy. Just put it like this. Because we have only one side in, remember? Very important thing, that's why I like this valve, is the valve has to be straight, okay? Okay, check it out. Check to see if everything's in. Yep. Then start putting it in. So, for the second part, let's get Victor's hack. I like this hack. You do need 3 hands to do this. But, if you have a velcro, it works as a hand. Then, be careful not to grab the tube. See, that's usually the hardest part. Remember the middle? Yes, put the tire toward the middle so you have more space, okay? This tip I learned in a channel. I'm gonna put the link below. He's good. It's a mountain bike channel, but it's bike, you know. So there's a lot of great tips. Put alcohol. Yeah. Why alcohol? Because it dries faster. And it's no problem at all. Let's try. Hey. Yep. Woof. I didn't say it would be easy, but it's possible. All perfect. Nice, isn't it? Now I have to take it out so it will fit through the brakes. If you did like the video, thumbs up. And if you didn't subscribe yet, please do. And after you subscribe, you know, the little bell. Because I never have the right day to publish it, the videos. Like I publish a video on Thursday Now I published one today, Saturday. Tomorrow I'm doing the video about the tripod because tomorrow will be a beautiful sunny day. And just a take of this one. So you better click the little bell. Bye-bye.